Hi friends, in the last video we discussed about sorting and also discussed about different ways of sorting, ascending, descending, and also with the custom list, how we can sort with custom list. And now we are going to discuss about another important data tool, that is filtering. Normally people filter the data where the data is. Now we are going to discuss about a new way of getting the data in another location in the same sheet, or get the data in a new worksheet. So that will be very convenient for reporting purpose. So watch the video till the end to master these techniques, and also I believe that the video will be very useful to all. So this is a sample data for filtering. Selection of data is very important in filtering the data as well as sorting. So instead of suppose a huge data, it is very difficult to select the entire row and columns. So just place the pointer in any one of the cell inside the data and select the cell and go to the data tab and click on filter. So filter button is added. We can click on the filter button in accordance with our needs. So we are clicking on the country, then we can the entire country is selected. We click on the untick on the select all. So suppose we want to search, so just here we can search. Suppose Sweden is here, Sweden is selected, and this also select all, search result is also ticked, then click OK. Now the data is filtered according to the country Sweden. Suppose we want to add Denmark also. Suppose then we take Denmark. Suppose then Denmark is selected, click on OK. So Denmark is selected. So Sweden is deselected. So what we do, we want Denmark and Sweden together. Then what we do is, after selecting, so here we again type Sweden, then you have to add current selection to the filter. Click on this, then click OK. Then now we have Denmark and Sweden together. So we have to check the so in this way we can have both the countries selected. From here, suppose we want, this is mixed up, so we want the data in the sorting order, that can be done from here in the drop down menu. Here is sort A to Z. Click on this. We need not have to go to the sorting command. Just click here. Then Denmark is first, then Sweden is second. It's another option in selecting the items. Suppose in the country, we click on the country and again filter. Here there are so many suggestions. Suppose we select begin with I. We have to select the countries begin with I. We click here, then click OK. So now Ireland, Italy and comes. So and we want further filtering in this country in accordance with the unit price. That is, we select the unit price, click on the filter button, then filter on numbers. Here so many options are: equals, does not equal, greater than, less than. So we want unit price items which unit price is above 500 and less than 1000. So what we do, we select that greater than 500, and here we have to select less than is less than 1000. Okay, then click OK. Then it is further filtered. Suppose we want to include 500 and 1000. So what we have to do is, we have to change our criteria, that is greater than or equal to 500, and less than or equal to is less than or equal to, we have to select from is less than or equal to 1000. Click OK. Then in this way we can 500 here, 1000 also we can include. In this way we can have different criteria for filtering, and we can have different data also. Now we can learn some advanced filtering options. So we select the data, and suppose we want to list on the country here, some other options. And also, so suppose I am copying this country heading here, and I have this Netherlands. I copy Netherlands here, then copy the Finland. Okay, now we have to filter according to this country. So select the data, one of the cell in the data, and click on the advanced filtering option here, advanced, then click OK. Sorry, click on this filter, then a window comes. Then we have already data selected. We can see this moving hand. Then click on the up arrow, then we can select both countries for filtering. Click here, then click OK. then what happens? Finland and Netherlands comes. One more thing we can, suppose we want to filter according to the unit price by giving different criteria for different countries. Suppose for Netherlands we want 500 above, then suppose Finland we want greater than 1000 only. So two criteria is given for different countries. In the previous example we have given one criteria for both countries, that is greater than 500 and less than 1000. Okay, then we select it here and click on the advanced option. Then we select this both, that is we have to select the country and unit price, Netherlands, and this all the 6 cells. So click here, then click OK. Then what happens? Netherlands greater than 500, all the values of 500 above is selected for Netherlands, but in Finland only 1000 above is listed here, all other values are filtered. So in this way we can give different criteria for different countries. Suppose we want one more criteria, that is as we have seen just before, that is less than 1000 or greater than and less than, two criteria for unit price. So we copy unit price heading here also, and we can give some other criteria. Suppose we want to give greater than or equal to 500, so we can give an equal to here. Then less than or equal to 1000, suppose here we can give similarly criteria greater than or equal to 1000 and less than or equal to 1100. Suppose we can add one more country if you want. So suppose I'm adding Denmark here, Denmark. Then the criteria is to be given, the formatting also automatically copied because we are giving the same line, so we can clear it later. Then suppose we want greater than 100, and less than 400, suppose we have to give. Then so we can clear. How can we clear? I told in the one of the previous lesson, go to the home tab, clear format only, not clear all or clear contents. Click on clear format. So that's all. So again we select the data and go to the data tab, then click on the advanced option. Then again a pop-up window, that is a dialog comes. So here we can select, already the range is already selected, so we can click here and select the criteria, select the criteria. Then what happens? Then click OK. Then here Denmark will be added, and the criteria we can check whether criteria is satisfied. So okay, we can easily sort this for checking the values. Select on one of the cell in country and go to the A to Z sorting. Then Denmark, you can see criteria of Denmark is greater than 100 and less than 400. Finland only one item selected, satisfying the criteria. Then similarly Netherlands 100, so we have given equal to, greater than or equal to 1000, less than or equal to 1100. So this value also selected. So we can have different criteria for different countries, and also we can find the values between two different values. And also one more thing is, suppose the data is filtered and here we have a list here. Okay, go to the bottom of the our Excel. Then we can, the shows 24 records of 375 records found. We can easily count the number of record displayed here satisfying our criteria. Now we filtered the data and the data was placed along with the original data. Okay, now we want to have the data in another location. So we select the data and again go to the data tab, click the advanced. A dialog box appears. First we selected here, filter the list in place. Now we select copy to another location. So data is already selected. Then next we click on this one, and we selected here. We can verify. So criteria selected, then location we select here, then click OK. The data is placed here, so we can see the data here. One drawback of this option is we cannot undo this option. So suppose we want to remove this, we have to select it and go to the home tab and click clear all, then only we can delete this data. Suppose we want to sort in one criteria without going in data and menu, just select the criteria. That is, suppose we want to filter on Norway and select the Norway. So here we didn't apply filter menu, just select Norway, then right click it, filter, context menu, select the value. So it is filtered on the country Norway. Suppose we can clear from here, and also there is a reapply here. That is, so we clear here first, then suppose we sorted filtered on this value, so 120. So suppose we want to we made some changes in the value after filtering. Now we can just either select from here, reapply, or right click here and filter, then reapply. Then what happens? The Portugal we have made into 1000, and we are actually filtered on 1120. Now what happens? Just click here, click anywhere in the here, then go and reapply, then that value again reapplied the filter criteria that we already given. So in this way also we can quickly filter on single value. This is a sample score sheet. Suppose we want to filter the students list of those who have secured A+ in all subjects. So, and also this list should be made available in a new worksheet. So what we have to do? First we have to copy the criteria. So that is, all subject is copied. Then students must secured full A+. So A+ is given. Click and drag to copy the A+ to all subjects. So now we want this filtered data not here in a new worksheet. So okay, a new worksheet is selected. Then click advance. Click advance, and here select copy to another location. Copy to another location. Then we want to select the range. Click on the up arrow. Now go to the worksheet, that is where the mark is, score sheet is. Then we have to select. Suppose a large data is there, it is very difficult to select, click and drag. So a shortcut we can say, select the first cell and in first row and first column. So select it, then hold the shift key, just press enter key, then right arrow. So first row is selected. Now again hold the shift key, again end key, press one time, then click press the down arrow. Now the enter data is selected. We can also have control end, but here is some data, so control end will select the blank column also. Then we can click here to go to the previous window, that is dialog box. Now we have to select the criteria range. This is the criteria range. So we have to go to again to the previous worksheet and select the criteria range. Then again we want to show the location where we have to copy the filtered data. Okay, click here and we can show this anywhere here. So we selected the first cell, that is A1, then click again and click OK. So immediately the entered data is available here. We can increase the column width and also format it for printing. So it is a very easy and very convenient method. If we want to filter and remove the duplicate values of the countries, suppose the countries are, the name of the country is repeated, and we want to the list of the country in our large data. Okay, then what we do is click on the advanced, then copy to another location. So we have to select the data. We have to select only this data, not the entire data. That what is, we hold the shift key, then end and down arrow key. Then so we will there is no criteria range. We have to just remove the duplicate value, that is unique records only. Click here where to place the data. Okay, we can go here and give the select a cell, then click here, then click OK. So now we have the list of country that is included in our database. So I hope that you are clear and we have learned many techniques in filtering, and also we can have the data in a separate sheet so that we can analyze it very easily. So I hope that my video is clear, and the practice worksheet, the link for practice worksheet will be available in description. You can download it and practice it. Thank you very much. I finished this video. Wait for the next day for having more techniques and tricks. Thank you very much. Goodbye.